channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shuchatana and I make content related to beauty, makeup and lifestyle. And if you are interested, please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell just next to it so that you don't miss any update. And now let's move on to the video. So by the title of today's video, you guys already know that today I am going to talk to you all about an amazing sale on the Plum website. Plum is a cruelty-free and 100% vegan brand, and right now they are here with their Holi Yay sale on their website where you can get all the products at a buy to get to offer. And they have sent me this beautiful package with some amazing products in it, and I thought of unboxing this with you all, and I want to show you all what are the products that I received. So if you want to know what are these products, then please keep on watching. So the first product that I have is this Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. This is a soap-free face wash and this is rich in green tea, glycolic acid and cellulose base, which helps in fighting and preventing acne. And if you're using it daily, this would also act as a daily exfoliator on your skin, which is a great thing. And this actually works really well on acne-prone and sensitive skin as well. So let me show you all how this looks from inside. So this is how the product looks like, and let me show you all the texture of this one. So this has a clear gel-like consistency with little bit of beads in it, you guys can see. And if you're using it on your face, this is going to work as a gentle exfoliant on your skin without making your skin dry. And I loved the texture. Also, the fragrance is really beautiful and I love such fragrances a lot. You guys can see right now, and yeah, this is how this one looks like. So this one is a 75 ml package, and this one is priced at rupees 345 rupees, and this one is manufactured in 2021 and will expire by 2023. You can definitely give this product a try. So here I have the second product with me, and this is the Grape Seed and Sea Buckthorn Glow Restore Face Oil Blends, and this one is actually a facial oil. And just look at this packaging. I'm in love with this one. Glow Restore Oil is a blend of 10 plant-based oil which are used to restore a natural glow on your skin. This facial oil is enriched with grapeseed oil and sea buckthorn oil, which helps in preventing moisture loss from your face and also helps in preventing oxidative damage. So let me open this one. And this comes with this thing where they have mentioned all the ingredients and everything, which is something that I really liked. And now you need to open it like this, and this is how the product looks like. Look at that. So this comes with a dropper which works wonderfully, as you can see. And let me show you all the texture. This is how the texture of this one looks like. Wow, this is super lightweight and non-greasy, and it is getting absorbed into the skin really well. So look at that. The fragrance of this one is very, very minimum, and it has a very sweet fragrance. You can use it during the night before sleeping, and in the morning you will get a very nice plumped up skin. So you're getting a total quantity of 30 ml in this one, and this one is priced at rupees 775. The third product that I have is this Plum Avocado Nourish Up Hair Mask, and this one is a hair mask, and this is how it came, and this looks so pretty and beautiful. Like, I'm in love with all the packaging, and I'm saying this for all the products. So this is how this one looks like. You can see this is a huge tub. The net quantity of this one is 250 grams, and this one is priced at rupees 675 rupees. So let me show you all this one as well. So this is how it opens, and you guys can see this one is completely sealed, which is a great thing because there's no chance of spilling. And let me open this one first. So this is how this one looks like. Let me show you all the texture of this one. The texture is really rich, nice, creamy. This is how the texture is. This is an intensive moisturizing hair mask which is rich in avocado, and avocado is actually known as superfood for your hair. And also this one has shea butter and argan oil in it, which would act as a very nice conditioner for your hair, and this would tame dry and frizzy hair and make your hair super soft and shiny. So you need to get rid of all the excess water from your hair, and then you can take this mask on your palm and apply it on your hair, and you need to concentrate on the ends of your hair, like the end strands of your hair. And after that you need to keep this for 20 to 25 minutes. You can wear a shower cap, or you can also wrap a towel around your head and keep it for that much of time. The longer the better, and then you can wash this off. The fourth and the last product that I have with me is this Illuminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm, and this is how this one looks like. This one is suitable for all skin type: dry, normal, combination, sensitive. It is written over here as well. And this one would help in cleansing your face, and dryness shouldn't go hand in hand. Like this one would cleanse all the dirt, pollution and everything that you have on your face, and even the toughest of makeup you can remove with this cleansing balm, and your face wouldn't feel dry. Because this one is enriched with 8 plant-based oils and vitamin E, which would not be harsh on your skin but would also remove all the pollution, dirt and everything that you have on your face. This one would make your skin clean without making it dry. This one is going to make your skin clean and also going to keep it moisturized. Now let me open this one. And this is how this opens, and you're getting this card along with this one, which is really cute. So this is how the cleansing balm looks like, and this is a very nice packaging. The total quantity in this one is 90 grams, and this one is priced at 545 rupees. And this is how it opens, and this one is also sealed. I'll open this and show it to you all. And this also comes with a cute spatula, which I really liked because this would be very hygienic. So this is how the texture of this one looks like. This is looking so smooth. Like, let me take a little bit of it, like scoop out a little bit of it and show it to you all. Like, this is how you can take out the cleansing balm, and by the time you rub it, this would melt everything. This is so smooth and buttery. I'm sure this is going to take off all the makeup, dirt, pollution, everything that you have on your face, and yet going to make your skin moisturized. So that was all about the products that I had with me, and I'm in love with all of them. You also can get these products at a buy to get to offer on the Plum website, because the holiday sale is here, and this is the best time to restock your favorite products from Plum. And you need to hurry up because the sale is live from the 10th of December to 13th of December, and you can get a buy to get to offer by using this coupon code. I will also mention this coupon code in the description. I will leave the link of the website in the description below. You need to check it out from there. Click on the link and you will get to see all the products, all the amazing products from Plum on their website. And do not forget to mention what is your favorite Plum product, because I would love to know. I would highly suggest you all to try the cleansing balm. I really liked that. You can also try the pore cleansing face wash as well. And also there are amazing products on their website. You can check them out as well. So I hope this video was helpful for you all. And if it was helpful for you all, then do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family. That would mean a lot to me. You can follow me on my Instagram as well. I keep on posting a lot of content on my Instagram. So if you want to follow me on my Instagram, I would put the link of my Instagram handle in the description below. You need to check it out from there and follow me on my Instagram as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and lots of love. Bye.